The Innovation Challenge, SIH 2024. India's biggest innovation challenge is back. SIH 2024 is here, and it's your chance to shine. This is where bright minds converge to create solutions for real-world problems. It's about showcasing your talent and making a difference. With SIH 2024, you can turn your ideas into reality. SIH 2024 isn't just a competition, it's a launch pad for your career. It connects you with industry leaders and opens doors to exciting opportunities. Whether you're passionate about technology, healthcare, or sustainability, there's a place for you at SIH 2024. This is your opportunity to learn, grow, and contribute to India's future. Join the movement of innovation and be a part of something extraordinary. Register now and embark on an unforgettable journey with SIH 2024. Mark your calendar's important dates. The clock is ticking. The SIH 2024 journey begins with registration. Don't miss these crucial dates. Registration starts. Check the official SIH website for the exact start date. Final deadline, September 12, 2024. Mark your calendars and don't miss the deadline. Head over to the official SIH website for the most up-to-date information. Don't wait until the last minute. Gather your team and start your registration today. Assembling your dream team. Teamwork makes the dream work. Forming the right team is crucial for your SIH 2024 success. Here's what you need to know. Team size. Gather a maximum of 6 enthusiastic minds. Diversity matters. Ensure at least one female member is on your team. Skills. Synergy. Combine diverse skills like coding, design, and problem solving. Choose teammates who share your passion and dedication. Remember, a balanced and diverse team is a winning team. Section 4. Registration. Your gateway to SIH 2024. Ready to embark on your SIH 2024 adventure? Follow these simple steps to register. First, create an account. Visit the official SIH website and create an account using your email address. Next, verify your email. Check your inbox for a verification link and click to activate your account. Then, log in and register. Log into your account and click on the Register Your Team button. Finally, provide team details. Fill in the required information about your team members and their areas of expertise. Once you've successfully registered, you're one step closer to showcasing your talent at SIH 2024. Section 5. Crafting a winning proposal. Your idea has the power to change the world. Now it's time to craft a compelling proposal that stands out. First, choose your challenge. Explore the list of problem statements provided on the SIH website and select one that resonates with your team's interests and skills. Next, submit your proposal. Present your solution in a clear and concise manner. Highlight the key features of your idea, its potential impact, and your team's approach to implementation. Remember, your proposal is your chance to impress the judges and secure your spot in the next round. Make it count. Section 6. The road ahead. Selection and mentorship. After the submission deadline, the SIH team will carefully evaluate all proposals. Shortlisted teams will be invited to participate in the next stage of the competition. First, the screening process. Expert judges will review your proposal based on its innovation, feasibility, and potential impact. Next, mentorship opportunities. Selected teams may receive valuable guidance and support from industry mentors to further refine their ideas. The SIH 2024 journey is as much about learning as it is about competing. Embrace the opportunity to grow and make the most of this incredible experience.